Hey everyone, it's Chris from Exodus. How would you like to save up to 33% on Amazon? It's not a gimmick, and I'll show you how. But first, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll wait. Thanks for that. Saving money on Amazon is easy when purchasing with cryptocurrency through purse.io. All you have to do is sign up. In case you're a bit skeptical, Purse is a marketplace that matches your Amazon order with what's called a purse earner. A purse earner is someone who has Amazon gift cards and will purchase the items on your behalf. All items are purchased and delivered directly from Amazon. Let's take a quick look at the process. Once you have a Purse account, you can simply search Amazon using Purse, or if you have the Chrome browser extension installed, add items directly to your Purse cart from Amazon. I'm in the market for a new lens for the camera we're recording on right now, so I'm heading over to Amazon to find a good deal. Now I've found the lens I'd like to buy, and instead of going over to the buy sidebar in Amazon, I'm going to add this to my Purse cart by clicking the save up to $118.80 with Bitcoin button. Make sure to click that like button as well. Once clicked, the item will be added to the Purse cart, and we can use the widget to open the checkout process. Now this is where the savings happen, and you get to decide on how much you would like to save by using the slider. Purse will give you an estimate of how long it might take for an earner to pick up the order, but in my experience, more often than not, they're filled much quicker. Now if you're using the Exodus wallet, you can use the QR code scanner to scan the payment QR code and move money from your Exodus wallet into your Purse wallet. Wow, that was quick. My order was filled and delivered in 2 days. The only thing left to do is provide feedback for the earner. It couldn't be any easier saving money at Amazon, and if you're new to cryptocurrency, you can find some useful links in the description. Please leave a comment below about your purse.io experience or other ways to save money using crypto. And remember to smash the like and subscribe buttons on your way there.